To update your personal information, access your Albert Student Center at albert.nyu.edu. Click on Sign into Albert. On this page, enter your StudentNet ID and password and follow the instructions for the multi-factor authentication process. Once logged in, click on Personal Info at the left of the page. Next to the section you would like to update, click on the Edit button. Please note that using or changing a preferred name is not the same as updating your legal or primary name. On the left is a list of things that students can update in Albert that do not require supporting documentation. This includes changes to your preferred name, addresses, phone numbers, personal email addresses, emergency contacts, and missing person contacts. On the right is a list of things that students cannot update in Albert because it requires submitting supporting documentation. This includes changes to your primary legal name, legal sex, social security number, and citizenship status. For a list of accepted documentation, please visit bit.ly/NYU changeinfo.